Good medical morning. U.S. lockdowns coincide with the rise in problems from cleaners. That's according to the CDC.
Yeah, Kim, this is not surprising given that most people are cleaning far more than they usually clean, and as cleaning supplies have run low, many people are using products that they may not have used before. But there is a real risk for you and your family if you are not careful.
Reports of accidental problems from cleaners and disinfectants are up this year, and researchers believe it's related to people being at home more and doing a lot more household cleaning. Such events were up about 20% in the first 3 months of this year, compared with the same period in 2018 and 2019, according to a report Monday from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The authors said they can't prove the lockdown drove the increase, but said it seems likely the two are linked given the number of stay-at-home orders and guidance to clean hands and dirty surfaces. They warned against using more cleaner than directed, mixing multiple products together, or using them in poorly ventilated areas. The report was based on more than 45,000 recent calls to 55 control centers across the country, involving exposures to cleaning chemicals or disinfectants. The same period in 2019 saw 38,000 such calls, while 2018 had 39,000.
Healthcare workers and disinfectant manufacturers around the nation continue to warn people, do not ingest or inject any disinfectants.
Roughly 40% of calls this year were about children age 5 or younger, but increases were seen in all age groups. Bleach accounted for the largest share of the increase overall, but for young children, the rise was mainly in mishaps involving disinfectants and hand sanitizers, the CDC reported. So please use this as a reminder. Be careful when using household cleaners. Keep your kids away from them too. Even hand sanitizer can be an issue if not handled correctly. So read those labels and always keep an eye on your kids. Most importantly, keep a clear mind if you are watching little ones.
Hey, my name's Leah. I'm checking in with Thynergy. I've been on it for 4 months now, and I am continuously still losing weight. I have a lot more energy. My dog's super happy because he gets to go on a lot more walks, and we actually did a 8-mile hike last weekend, which was a lot of fun.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thynergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Thynergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace.
Thynergy, you guys are helping people lose weight.
This is a shout out to the team at Thynergy.
Thynergy.
To all the crew at Thynergy, I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals.
I highly recommend Thynergy. I think you should give it a shot.